Crabmeat Casserole. Yield 6 servings. 6 ounces elbow macaroni, 6 tablespoons vegetable oil, 1/4 cup chopped onion, 1/2 cup green pepper strips, 2 cups thick white sauce, 3 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 teaspoon Worcester sauce, 3 dashes Tabasco sauce, 3/4 cup grated cheddar cheese, 1 7-ounce can crab meat, flaked, 1 cup cooked peas, 1/2 cup pimento strips, 2/3 cup saltine cracker crumbs, 3 tablespoons butter. Cook macaroni in salted water. Do not overcook. Drain and set aside. Saute onion and green pepper in vegetable oil until clear. Lift out and add to macaroni. Using remaining oil, make white sauce. Add lemon juice, seasoning, and cheese. Stir until cheese melts. Combine sauce, crab meat, vegetables, and macaroni. Pour into greased 2-quart glass baking dish. Saute saltine cracker crumbs in butter and spread over mixture. Bake 24 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit.